Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today for the Asus Virtual Partner Event. My name's Taryn Williams, and I'm thrilled to be your host for today's event. Now, today is a very exciting day because it's been nearly 2 years since we've all caught up, and it's an opportunity for us to not just hear from the Asus team and our strategic partners at Google and Microsoft, but also celebrate the wins of you, our partners. Despite a very challenging economic climate, the results that you have managed to achieve are nothing short of amazing. And we're here today to celebrate those wins together.
I'm Emma, the Country Manager of Asus Australia and New Zealand. First and foremost, I would like to thank you on behalf of Asus on how you have supported us weather this difficult phase. We feel proud and inspired by the way our company has ran to this challenging time, and without your support, we won't be able to achieve it.
Time flies. It has been 2 years since we reactivate our commercial business in Australia. And finally, I can proudly say we have an expansive product portfolio that meets the evolving needs in commercial space.
At Asus, our partners are critical to our business, and we appreciate the great work they do each day. I'm happy to announce a newly released Asus Partner Program, which will start from 1st of July 2022. Participation in the program, you have to contribute minimum yearly revenue and show partnership and development excellence. I thank you very much for your help in business development in 2022, and congratulations to all the winners.
We work very, very closely with Asus at a global level, sort of local level, where we're working really closely, both from an activation from a program standpoint, but at the same time where we are providing a lot of sales assistance. So Asus have been reaching out, and I think the Asus team really values that as well. So yeah, love to continue to work with our channel partners in Asus.
Look, well, we've had a really long relationship with Asus, as well as their own partners like yourselves. Asus are bringing out some fantastic devices that are not only just catered to a particular type of workforce, but are quite flexible across, so we can have the right device for the right for each employee and their job role. So we're here. We'd love to to keep growing that and working with Asus and our partners.